Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been getting so many questions from people who have tried it and can't believe how much of a difference it's made in their daily lives. I'm talking about waking up without that sluggish feeling, having more energy to tackle the day, and just feeling more confident in their own skin. The gelatin trick is really simple. It's just about incorporating a spoonful of gelatin into your daily routine, and it can make a huge impact on your digestive health, which in turn can help with weight loss. I've heard from so many friends who have tried the gelatin trick and have noticed they can drop that heavy feeling after a big meal. And it's not just about the weight loss, it's about feeling lighter, more buoyant, like you can take on anything. The gelatin trick is all about creating a gentle, nourishing routine that your body will thank you for, and it's amazing how such a small change can add up over time. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, I've got a link in the description below that'll take you to a super helpful resource that'll walk you through it. And if you've already tried it, I'd love to hear about your experience. Check out the pinned comment below where we're chatting all about our favorite ways to incorporate the gelatin trick into our daily lives.